You ain't scamming none of my viewers. You ain't scamming none of my viewers. You ain't scamming none of my viewers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's IVANTASANDiWICH. Doing something a little bit different this time. This is going to be super short, just a take on something that I know was I'm a little late on it, but just wanted to give my thoughts on it. So yeah, let's jump on into it here. So Twitch celebrations, something that I kind of think are it's just more of a money grab for Twitch, and they're just trying to take money away from the creator and take it for themselves, which I get it. Twitch needs to make money, but this is just sort of a kind of a tone deaf, or it's just sort of a bad attempt. Like, I guess this is supposed to replace donations, and so you can set, you know, different tiers and whatnot for these, and here's what they look like. So this is what the viewer in chat sees. It goes over the player and everything, which, funnily enough, the small one, you have 6 fireworks or 8 fireworks, I think. And then the large ones, although the fireworks are bigger, you have less of them. Like, there are only 4 of that. So it just really, really bad take, I think. And then just so you can kind of see, they've put it right in between the follow and the subscribe button. So they really want you to hit this button and you know, celebrate. I can't celebrate on my own channel, but you saw the prices of them, and you can change them depending on how much money you want, how greedy you are as a streamer. Yeah, they get the other thing that I found was really, really crappy was it's a 50-50 split. So here's what it looks like. It's a 50-50 split. So you may pay $30 to have a large firework show up on a stream, but the streamer only gets $15 of it, and Twitch takes the other 15. This just ain't it. That's all I gotta say. This ain't it. This is essentially a scam, yo. I looked at a couple of articles. 50% of tips. Just not a good take. So anyway, like I said, keeping the video super short. Hopefully you like this kind of content. This is gonna be more for the Twitter, Instagram, Facebook crowd, but I'll put it up on YouTube as well. And let me know what you think. Do you like the celebrations? Do you think they're crappy? Come talk to me about it on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/IVANTASANDiWICH. I am gonna be, oh yeah, I wanted to do this. Here's what I think about your Twitch celebrations, Twitch. You ain't scamming none of my viewers. You ain't scamming none of my viewers. You ain't scamming none of my viewers. But yeah, follow the channel. Check everything out. I'm on Twitch 3 days a week. See you there. Peace.